Hey, welcome back. If you guys saw last week, we got the car all slammed out. So hopefully this week we're going to try getting the floorboards put back in. I was just looking at the car again, and it looks super sweet. But I was talking with Jason and Nick, and the wheel, I can't really tell if the wheel is off-center because of the wheel spacers being on there. So I think we're going to lift it up. We're going to make sure we got the wheels on good, and we'll recheck and see. Because even if it's back just a little bit, that'll make it, it's about probably an inch forward on this side. Yeah, I don't know if that's necessarily that big a deal. It fits the archway pretty good, but if we're doing it anyway, we might as well potentially try and get it to fit more correctly. Yeah, so it looks definitely a lot worse at ride height. But again, we just got to get the wheel straightened up. And this should be the one for the spacer.
Oh, yes, okay.
So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take the spacer off. I think I'm going to grab my little die grinder and you know what I mean?
Yes, because it was awful tight.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it'll probably be okay. Ooh, you know what I could do?
What?
I could put a little bit into the hub instead of the...
Oh, there you go. Thank you.
Just kind of grind it out a little bit. Maybe grab a piece of sandpaper and maybe sand the hub down a little bit too.
I'll just beat on it till it works. Finally put new headlights in my car.
Yeah?
I got those Farron brand. I think that's how you pronounce it.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's all it is, just that little haircut, Jason.
Oh, good.
So like right here you can see that we're off, but the rear end is at full droop, so like as the wheel comes up, it's gonna go up. Ideally, we want it in the center of the archway at ride height. If it swings in doing lower, that's not that big a deal. It's like if this is what it's riding like, you see what I mean? The car needs to go forward or the frame back. At least an inch. Yeah, we're about 2 inches off.
Oh, boy.
I mean, that's not that big a deal. We just gotta...
Just move it.
Yeah, we just gotta get the frame put on the body and then cut my braces and then move it forward. Unfortunately, I really think we're not gonna be able to move the frame forward. We're gonna have to move the body forward, but the body's gonna be on the...
Right. No, that'll be fine. We should be able to move the body, no problem.
Right, but the body's gonna be on the lift arms, Jason.
On the lift arms?
We gotta put the body back on the lift, cut the braces.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's gonna be dicey either way.
You don't think we can, between the three of us, manipulate the body enough on the... I think
we'd be better off trying to get the frame to move than the body.
Think so?
We can easily manipulate the body, Jason, but once it's on the frame is the problem. You know what I mean?
Right.
Whereas this, I think we could probably manhandle the frame around with the blocks and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah. I think so.
And then we'll cut the things. And then what we'll do is we'll use the laser level to...
Wow. Too bad you welded it so well.
I did. Yeah.
So you cut it there, and then it's just going to change the angle.
Well, we can cut it down below on both sides just so it moves, and then we can figure it out later.
Okay.
We'll probably just end up lifting the body up just past the frame. And then we'll hopefully slide everything back, and then we'll set it back down. And I'll probably re-weld these on, just kind of hold it in place. Yeah.
Okay. Now what?
I've got the other pry bar. I'm kind of wondering, do we use the big pry bar up front and use the back one back here? What do you guys think? Be a bad idea? Oh, that's like perfect. Yeah, can we get a wedge in the front there, Nick? Yeah. Like on the front of the tire so it doesn't roll back? Yeah, especially if we like. So we got our laser right on the center of the archway. And we're more or less centered up on the wheel. Maybe a little bit off, but I'm not going to complain about that. So, I was just saying to Jason, we have the body up right now. I think we're going to grab the floor and squeeze it in there right now. That way we don't have to try and do it on the ground. That makes the most sense to me.
I agree.
And then we'll just have to kind of massage it around as it goes in. We'll probably have to move the frame around a little bit here and there too, but it kind of is, yeah. Hold on a sec. Okay. We got to get it underneath the airlines, don't forget, Jason.
Underneath the airlines?
Yes. The airlines are going to be on top of the floor for now.
Well, that's not going to work in the back.
We're going to have to...
Yeah, a little low on that. Oh, I see what you mean there. Okay. I mean, it's wavy.
Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. We'll deal with it as we come. We might, like I said, we might have to put one side over and then the other side.
Yes. Like stand it up in the middle?
Yeah, maybe not necessarily stand it up, but yeah, same kind of idea.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. We have to cut. Yeah, it definitely needs to be aired out.
Okay, I'm going to do that right now.
Oh, boy. Back.
All right, we're going to come down more with the body.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. So low. Get low. To the window, to the wall.
Yep, touching.
Yeah, I think that's right about where we had it.
No, I was like, yeah, the tunnel is so, yeah, but we cut a bunch of that out.
Yes.
Righty tighty.
Coming up at you for a second.
Okay.
You should be able to move your hand.
Okay.
Okay, body's looking pretty flat right now. I don't really see anything weird.
Uh-huh.
It's hard to really tell because of like the way the car is shaped, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I think it's definitely higher in the front.
All right, let's air it out and see how it fits.
Got that Carolina squat.
Why did it thud so hard in the back here?
What's up?
Not enough weight.
She low.
So I think it's actually lower than it was. So now the plan is basically make some pieces of sheet metal that attach this to this. So what we gotta do is we gotta get the floor where we need it to be. I don't know exactly how much we'll do tonight, but I want to get at least a couple pieces so that way if we have to do anything, the body can't really go anywhere. So probably an inch further than the floor. So if we do a strip of 6.5 inches. Well, he was actually looking for the nibble.
Yeah, I just found that. It just happened to be laying on the floor. Ooh, don't want to set that on there.
Okay, 2x4.
I'll get this plugged in.
More towards me a little bit.
Huh?
Towards me a little bit. Yep, yep. That's your. This is. See,
Oh, yeah, this is the...
Cutting lines. Mm-hmm.
You have to get back on your line and just turn it as you go.
That's plain stupid. You just go ahead and do it. Didn't have to get angry about it.
You can do the next one. You want to feed that one in here and see if we can get it? I want it all the way up towards the where the floorboard, not the floorboard, the old floor is. You have to like slide it down first. And yep, there we go.
As far forward as I can go.
Does it need to come up more?
Front it does.
The front? Okay, coming up.
About there.
About there?
Actually pretty good.
Okay.
Right there.
You got the front held up?
Yep.
Okay. Oh no! I think I ran out of wire.
Oh, no. Yep.
Yep.
Well, this concludes tonight's festivities.
Yeah. Well, we kind of have a floor starting to go back in. Won't have to make the back pieces yet. We're not really too worried about the stuff back there. And up there, obviously. But it's tacked in. What do you think, Jason?
It's freaking awesome. We're getting there. We'll be driving this thing in no time.
No time. Yeah, we got to do the floors. And then
A couple other things. And we'll
I really don't know what we're going to tackle next after the floors are put back in, though. Mounting the engine and trans is probably the next step.
Yeah, we should probably give that 2x4 a break by putting a brace under there.
Yeah. Well, cool. That's actually where we're going to leave this episode. We're making a lot of progress here. I'm getting real excited to actually maybe see this thing on the road. If you guys are looking forward to more content like this, make sure you like, subscribe. If you're on mobile, hit the hype button. It really helps grow the channel. Hopefully we can hit a couple more thousand subscribers this year. I'd really like to push the channel pretty hard. So we'll see you guys next time.